fingers. Do you want to have a Nerf war? Yeah, sure. Hey guys, now I know this video is a lazy start off. I just had no clue how to start off.
Yeah.
So,
my name's Mimi.
got a balloon for my birthday. Okay, 3, 2, 1, Nerf war! Nerf war! Where should I hide? Oh, hide up here. Yeah. Right. Let's hide. Hide in this chair. Good. God, what? Okay. Where should I go? Why are you shooting at me? Where should I go? I can hide. I can hide right here. Oh man, where'd he go? Wait, I think I see him. See fingers. Stupid birthday. Well, here's a gift I have for you. Get on sight. It's carrot. Put my hand up here. Okay. Look through and shoot. Oh God! What? Oh shoot! He's shooting at me. Oh! I gotta run. I'll hide right here. Okay. Oh shoot! He ran over there. Now I can't see him. He just took cover. Oh, go down. Right. Let's get down here. Go. Right.